That's it. That's your timeout. Hi guys. Back in 2016, I did a video on how to take one of these Scrabble Boggle toys apart and put it back together, because sometimes the cubes in there, or dice, what you want to call them, die, get jammed, and the only way I could free it was to take it apart so that I could maneuver them and get them moving again. Now, somebody just commented on that video that they undid the 4 screws and it wouldn't come apart. And by coincidence, I still have this red one. It was an orange and blue one I took apart in the video. And when I tried to take this one apart, I had the same problem they had. Once I'd undone the 4 screws, it wouldn't come apart. It loosened a little bit, but wouldn't come apart. And what I traced it down to, just there you can see there's a little hole now. Can we see that? Yeah, there's a hole. That hole is where that peg comes through. And on this one, that peg was a tight fit. So even though you'd undone the 4 screws, you couldn't lift this off because that piece was held in place by that piece. All I did was I just gently pushed it through with the tip of my screwdriver. That was enough to free it off, and then the top comes off. So that's it, job done. And when you put it back together again, you have to make sure that that lines up with that peg. There it is. Right, got it. That's in place. Right, that's the 4 screws back in place. I haven't done that one up tightly enough yet, but I just thought I'd demonstrate it's back in position. I've actually pressed the button, so the light's gonna, or the buzzer's gonna go in a minute. But that's the little problem, fella. That was just too tight in there, so you couldn't pull it apart. Well, that's it, all back together. I've twisted it so it started. It goes green, and I think it goes green and then red, and then it buzzes. That's it. That's your timeout. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.